Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you the Redragon K616 mechanical gaming keyboard. It offers a new 60% layout and comes with compact 61 keys as well as selected keycaps dedicated for FPS gamers. It also offers a 3-mode connection that is for both wired and wireless. And for a bonus, the wired uses a USB-C cable. This keyboard comes with hot swappable red switches and vibrant RGB lights, as well as pro software customization. So if you are a gamer into FPS games, then this is definitely the right keyboard for you. So don't miss out and go get yours now.